Hi, I'm Belinda Allen, and I have a Microsoft Power BI tiny tip for you. One way you could get a little bit more user adoption for Power BI if you're just starting to use it is by giving your users their own custom page in a report. On this page, I have added 4 visuals that are from the Q&A. So I just entered the Q&A visual, added it 4 separate times. And I've added in my own questions that I expect my users to ask about the customer information in the data set. I've also added 2 different slicers, one for salesperson and one for state, because I feel like they might want to use some interactions based off of these 2 fields. So a user can come in on any one of these visuals and start typing in the question just like you would expect them to. Or they could take advantage of the Q&A suggested questions that I have. So I'm just going to simply populate all 4 of these visuals with predetermined questions or suggested questions. Just as you would expect, if you were to click on either one of these slicers or both of them, you're going to get the interaction between all of the visuals. Once your user is satisfied with what they're seeing, they could simply on each visual click on this option next to the tooling option to permanently add that visual to their page. And now they have a custom page that was built just for them. I'm Belinda Allen, and I hope this helps.